My name is Andy. I am the general manager at Van Compass. We are a premier manufacturer of suspension accessories and undercar armor for the Sprinter and Transit adventure van market. Yeah, so I think remote van stands out in the market as a disruptor and an innovator to me. That's the first thing I noticed about them, is how they're taking the existing floor plan that's really popular and just going more and better. You know, in the RV market, the trend is often towards less and cheaper, and give people as little as possible while still getting their money. And this is the complete opposite. It's let's give them as most possible for their money. Let's give them something that they don't have to go immediately accessorize. So seeing products that you've had a part in creating on a build or on a van driving down the road, I mean, it's about the greatest feeling ever to me. Now I see there's a Van Compass light mount on that van, honey. To me, it's just really cool because you never know where you're going to see it. And then what always surprises me from an accessory manufacturer standpoint is how many vans still need accessories added to them. To see our stuff come on a van from the start, that's the highest honor, right? Remote vans is really pushing innovation and technology. I just got a great example of some insulation that they're using. To me, I've seen a lot in the RV industry, and I've seen a lot of the same, a lot of regurgitation or just straight out copying, and that is the opposite of what's going on here. So the thing that I think stands out most about remote vans builds is just the sheer quality. I've had the opportunity to tour a lot of factories and to tour a lot of builder shops, and this is by far the most impressive one I have ever seen, especially when you consider the short time that the remote vans has been around. Because I've toured businesses that have been doing this for 30 plus years, and they are not as organized as what we've got going on here today. And that's what actually matters. When you buy a vehicle, you're buying an investment. This is something you're going to keep for a long time. It may seem pretty at first when you're at the dealership, but you really need to spend some time sitting in that vehicle, interacting with that vehicle, touch all the buttons and knobs and levers and engage with it and think about, is this really what I want to do, or really what I want to spend my time in? And the thing I see here is somebody has done that for you and thought all the big things out of the way. I'm a taller guy, so something that I notice a lot is I hit my heads on cabinets or I hit my knees on things, and there's a lot more sloped or rounded surfaces in this van. The quality of materials is higher. I don't think there's hardly any plywood in these vans, and some of them that's all there is, or it's just cheap plastic everywhere. And this is the opposite of that. It's aluminum, it's threaded inserts. This is quality van. And if you want a van that you're going to go take off road, on top of that, it's going to be subjected to a whole nother list of forces. And so you need to really be thinking how much thought and engineering did the builders and the designers of that van put into creating that product, because once you own it, you're stuck with it. And so that's what I see here when I look in these vans, is I see quality that I haven't seen except at the extreme high levels of builder market. So to see it in a van you can go buy off a dealer lot, I mean, to me that's one of the coolest things I think I've seen yet come out of all of this.